if you're into linen and cotton, look no further because this is exactly your stop right here. These shirts from H&M are lovely. They're gorgeous in color. 50% linen, 50% cotton, which means they are a linen cotton blend, which I think is amazing because it drapes really well and it feels amazing on the skin. And if you notice that if you have pure linen, which is great, which is absolutely great, but it creases all the time. Now, because this is a cotton and linen blend, it will crease, but not as crazily as it would do for pure linen. So if you are into that kind of a feel, look no further, guys. Ladies, this is an awesome deal. It's about $39 Canadian dollars, and it is lovely. Comes in brilliant colors: white, black, beige, like a sage color. It's got pink, it's got blue. It's pretty inexpensive for what you get. It's like totally high-end. Like even Gap would charge like about 60 bucks, and this is about $35 or even 39 maybe, but it's worth the price. And the length is fabulous. You can always pair it with skirts, with jeans, with shorts. It is absolutely amazing. And get your hands on these babies because you're not going to regret and will thank me later.